These are all the new working codes inside of Grow a Garden. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. Let's go straight ahead and redeem every single one of these codes. As you guys can see, you can just open up your settings. If you already missed it, you can just click on the top left of your screen, and that's pretty much how you can actually redeem these codes. The first code, guys, make sure you guys actually like the video and subscribe. If you miss any of these codes, you will not get all the rewards that you can actually get inside of Grow a Garden, which is a lot of free seeds, a lot of free cash. There is some new codes dropping by the developers of Grow a Garden. The first code that you actually want to redeem is going to be Bussy Bees. That is the first code. So this code is probably still working, but I'm not really sure. This was the update code. So if you didn't already redeem this code, make sure you guys actually redeem this code right now for the Bussy Bees update code. The next code that you actually want to redeem, guys, boys, if you actually want to get the beanstalk, if you want beanstalk, it is literally like 800 Robux, right? It's like 800 Robux, 700 Robux. So if you want the beanstalk right now, you can actually get it for free by simply liking the video, subscribing, and commenting beans. Okay, comment beans, just comment beans just like that, and you'll be good to go. Beanstalk, one beanstalk. All right, anyways, where am I at? Do I even have anything cool on my farm? When is the bees, when is the thing on stock? Because I do have enough honey to buy the new seeds, but sadly enough, you can't really buy the new seeds if they're not on stock. So let me actually check the stock real quick. I want to trade, and they don't have it. Yeah, they don't have it. Why is it never on stock? It's never on stock. The next code, guys, the next code is going to be for the next update. So the next update is going to drop very soon, and it's going to be busier bees. So they're gonna expand on the topic busier bees. The next code will actually be busier bees, just like this. Type it exactly like this and you'll be good to go. Busier bees, that is the next update as well, so be sure to actually redeem all these codes. Don't forget to actually like the video, subscribe. All of these codes are pretty much upcoming codes, so if you missed out on any of these codes, sadly, yeah, it's just sadly enough for you guys to actually not being able to redeem these codes. But anyways, until next update, like and subscribe.